Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I'll tell the difference between Central and Eastern Time. Now, Central Time Zones and Eastern Time Zones are regions in North America, especially Canada and the United States, that observe a specific time throughout these regions. This is an arrangement that helps people in close vicinity as they all know what time it is and there are no variations in time over the region. These time zones follow the boundaries of nations and even states inside these nations to make it convenient for the people and the administration. There are countries with many time zones such as Canada and US, though they are large countries like China and India that observe same time throughout the territory for their own convenience. I will try to tell you the difference between the regions that observe Central Time and Eastern Time respectively. Now, what is Central Time? Central Time is a time zone that falls in North American countries such as Canada, US, Mexico, some countries in Central America, the Caribbean islands, and many places in the Pacific Ocean. This is a time that is behind Greenwich Mean Time by 6 hours. This time zone, however, should not be confused with the Central Time observed in the region of South Australia in Australia. Talking about regions that observe Central Time, Manitoba is the only province that fully observes Central Time. Many areas of Saskatchewan observe Central Time. Central Time happens to be one time zone that is observed in a large area inside the United States, as well as states like Iowa, Missouri, Minnesota, North Dakota, Arkansas, and Illinois. Observe this time zone in full. There are many other states where this time zone is observed in the most of the area. Now, Eastern Time. Followed in 17 adjoining states in the eastern part of the United States, many areas in Canada, and a few small countries in South America. Eastern Time happens to be a time zone that is 5 hours behind Greenwich Mean Time, Ontario. Quebec and Nunavut happen to be major areas in Canada observing Eastern Time, while there are 17 states that fall completely within this time zone. Interestingly, there are 6 states that fall between Central Time and Eastern Time and thus observe both the time depending upon where they fall. These states are Alabama, Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, and Tennessee. The most interesting feature of Eastern Time is that it is observed by the capital city Washington and also the largest city New York, making it the de facto time for the entire United States. Now, in short, what's the difference between Central and Eastern Time? Different regions of the world have been divided into time zones with many countries following several time zones. Central and Eastern time zones happen to be the regions following these times in North America, especially parts of Canada and US. While Eastern Time is 5 hours behind GMT, Central Time is 6 hours behind GMT, making people living in regions observing Eastern Time ahead of people living in regions following Central Time by an hour. Central Time is a time zone that falls in North American countries such as Canada, US, Mexico, and some countries in Central America, the Caribbean island, and many places in the Pacific Ocean. Eastern Time is followed in 17 adjoining states in the eastern parts of the United States, many areas in Canada, and a few small countries in the South America. Eastern Time is also observed in the Washington, New York, effectively making it in the de facto time for the entire United States. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comment.